In this video, you will learn how to use the set text keyword in Avo Assure to automate entering a value in a selected text box in an SAP application when automating it. To do so, add a step on the Design Test Steps screen. For this example, let's select F1_TXT box as the element name, and set text as the keyword. Type in Bangalore in the input field to be entered as the input in the directed text box after execution. Click Save to save the designed test step. Next, click Debug, and click Debug again from the pop-up that appears. This will debug the designed test steps, and set the input text as Bangalore in the F1 text box in the SAP application.